Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is, find the value of 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 6 into 1 minus 1 by 7, and it is extending up to 1 minus 1 by 100. So when you see this question, you may feel like it's a complicated question. It will take a lot of time. But you don't be frightened by this question. It's very simple. So let's try to solve this. So what is 1 minus 1 by 5? It is actually 4 by 5. And what is 1 minus 1 by 6? It is 5 by 6. Similarly, 1 minus 1 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7. So likewise, it is extending up to 1 minus 1 by 100, which will be giving you 99 by 100. So this is the given series. So the consecutive terms, you can cancel out the common terms. Look, 5 and 5 is getting cancelled. 6 and 6 will be getting cancelled here. Similarly, 7 will be cancelled with the 7 of the next term of the series. And here also you will be getting just the preceding term will be 98 by 99. So 99 and 99 will be getting cancelled. So finally what you will be getting, only the terms remaining will be the first term here and the last term here. So 4 by 100 will be remaining. 4 will be remaining from the first term and 100 will be remaining from the second term. So you will be getting like 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 will be the value of the given series. Now a second question of the same kind. Find the value of 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5, and it is going up to 1 minus 1 by 25. So here also you can see, you can calculate in mind itself. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, and then 1 minus 1 by 4 will be 3 by 4, and 1 minus 1 by 5 will be 4 by 5. So likewise it is going just like the previous question. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 into, then it will be going up to 24 by 25. So for all these kind of questions, only the first term of the first term and the last term will be remaining. All the other terms will be getting cancelled. So once you get familiar with this format, you can easily solve the question in mind itself. So only 2 and 25. By seeing this question itself, you can tell, okay, only 2 and 25 will be remaining. So your answer will be 2 by 25. Next question, find the value of 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 up to 1 minus 1 by n. So here also you can understand, by seeing the question itself, you understand that only the first term and the last term will be remaining. All the other terms will be getting cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. The next term will be 2 by 3, then 3 by 4. Likewise, it is going up to 1 minus 1 by n. So what will be your answer? The first term of the the numerator of the first term and the denominator of the last term only will be remaining. Okay. So this term and the numerator for the first term. So numerator for the first term is equal to 1. The denominator for the last term is equal to n. So your answer will be 1 by n. Thank you for watching.